maneuvers left. Simon says move on one leg for 3 seconds. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. Begin again, Miss Ember.
Okay, let's give a round of applause for our novice showmen out here in the ring for their second time now that they're back out here. I think there's a lot of differences between these showmen and definitely some varied experience levels and ages, obviously. But I think there's a few that have been the most consistent in terms of the basics of just being where they're supposed to be on their sheets, getting those feet set up. But I think all 7 of them have done a great job improving from the first time they were out here in the ring, which is what our goal is for like a practice show like this. With that, I'll set down the mic and I'll go out and select your champion and reserve champion novice showman.
Your champion novice showman went to Kennedy Wills Brown, and your reserve champion went to Carly Winans. In 3rd place, we have Eloise Fergitich. In 4th place, we have Amelia Fergitich. And in 5th place, we have Lainey Will.
Some food. Can we get from here?
Hi there.
You get 1 Lamburger to go.
With cheese?
No cheese.
No cheese. Did you want any chips with soda?
No, I don't need
Okay. $8, please. Order in.
No cheese? No cheese. Pretty good. How are you? Feel good. Thank you.
They'll be ready down at the end.
Perfect. 10? Thank you.
Okay. Did you want chips or waiting? Okay. $7. And what's the name?
We got 3 beef.
Thai tea? Hi. We'll get a Thai iced tea, please. That's orange. Very good, thank you. Tacos here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to be the one.
These are corn, hand-dipped corn dogs. Sounds good, doesn't it?
It came out real fast. Unfortunately, this line of silver, they don't give me a big range. They'll go from like 4 to about an 8, and once in a while a 9. The stainless steel ones, even the more.
you doing today? Have you signed up for your free set of kitchen knives?
They're not going anywhere. They'll just become bigger and better looking as the plants grow. So.
Not for your pots.
Yeah, have to repot them.
So he has both his eyes, but then his band covers it. Yeah. And then I forgot to do the top of his shirt.
We have 2 categories, so each of you get 2 tickets. One category is for bed quilts.
Thank you.
And the quilt papers that's on each quilt has a paper.
You know, it's funny
The
when
ones
you
that have a BQ are your bed quilts. Everything else is your second vote. Okay, and just put the number that's on that paper.
You saw about
I would think people should do Amazon.
Okay.